What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and this time we got a Mark IV Supra. Wait, that's a Mark IV Supra, the JDM Legend, the car everybody wants, the one that's way too expensive for no reason because it's only a 2JZ and it makes only 1,000 horsepower if you really push it. But let's just get into it. All right, here we are in Tampa, Mark IV Supra, 2JZ. I don't know how much power it has or makes, but passes the cop at like 93 miles an hour. The cop's like, oh, hell no, hold up. Start chasing him. Supra's like, I'm too fast for this. I'm gonna get away. And then the chase begins. So let's check this out. So a Supra and a Mustang. The Mustang's like, nope, not me, buddy. They're probably gonna do like some rolls or something like that, but look at this beauty, man. Sounds so good. We already started. But if you're gonna run from the cops, make sure you have a lot of power and you know what you're doing. I wonder what's going through the driver's head, because he's going not super slow, but he's going slow for probably what that thing could do, because it looks like I got some meaty setup in the back. So if you're gonna run, man, just book it from the beginning. Don't be stalling and holding and like, what you gonna do? Whoa, wait, that was fast. Wait, what just happened? Bro, that was in like not even 10 minutes.
We're on the Tampa side, you signal for rolling left.
Damn, son. Yo, not even 10 minutes. FHP don't play. 30 seconds into the thing, they will pitch you. They will make sure you stop. Now my guy lost the Supra and he crashed. Like, he probably all messed up. Oh, that's sad. That's a sad day. Bro, look at all the pieces.
Hands! Hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! I need you guys now. Can you read it?
Oh yeah, he hurt.
Let me see your hands.
Yeah, you can hear it. He's hurt.
Keep moving. Yes. Sit down, buddy. Just keep breathing, all right? Don't move your head. Hey, stay right there. Hey, stop. You understand? Yep. 1889 got a car on fire.
Oh, shit's on fire.
Yes. Hey, help me get out of the car. Yes. Yes, get him out of the car. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I got you. Come on, buddy. It's gonna hurt, bro. It's gonna hurt.
Oh, this is a shit show. All right, looks like he got a passenger, so the passenger's out.
Right here. Quick, get out, quick, get out.
Looks like they're dragging the driver out. The car's on fire. Not too big, but you can see it.
You fucking hit him, bro? What do you mean I hit him? What you mean? He just told me you hit him. He ran from me. Okay, so why the fuck you gonna cross him right here? I didn't control where he crashed. Yo, Bobby, yo, wake up. Hey, come on, come on, you're back. Come on, you're back. Come on.
The Supra. His friend is tight. He was screaming at the cops and everything.
Relax. If you need to sit up, you can sit up. Please hit me. What's the sound for the EMS or
They said, "Oh, what happened? What happened?" He's like, "Oh, the police hit me." Nah, no shit, dog. You were running from the cops. Even if you think you weren't running because you were going slow, he had his lights on, he was chasing you. You wouldn't stop with the lights on. Normal people would just pull over and see what's up. He passes it. If he pulls you over, he pulls you over. And now he crashed his car. Now he's mad. Oh, the police hit me. Like, bro, this is on you, dog.
We're trying to make 10-25. We called Tampa, but they're advising us to know, even though you're on the Tampa side. Trying to get them going.
Okay, what are you talking right now? Disarm still, please. That car.
Damn, dude, that sucks, man. That really does. Sucks for everybody. Car messed up, the guy crashed, bad shape. That extinguisher is not gonna put that fire out. That's too big of a fire. You need to fire the fire.
Why'd you run from me? I didn't do it. Why'd you run from me? I didn't. Don't cover your face. I didn't have fucking wrong. Oh, really? You didn't black out your car and run from me? What the fuck? Help me. Just stay down here, alright? Don't move.
If they put it out, it's a miracle. Let's see. I see a little glow. I told you. Bruh, I told you. Ain't gonna put it out.
Okay, you don't want to relax. Chill. You're kind of fucked up. You know, don't worry about it. But you need to leave your arm, alright? You do what you can. You gotta stay away, okay? All you gotta do, you gotta stay away. Hear me?
Have an 1889.
You're fucked. Why they hit me? I don't know, you're fucked from here, okay? But we just need to
Can
stay
you
away.
advise that the driver was still in the vehicle, or are they out of the vehicle?
Good? I just need you not go to sleep. Okay?
10-4. Would it be 10-4 to clear 1046 traffic? Or do you still need the channel?
Stay up. Stay up. It was arm cut. I got the channel. You can clear something. That one.
10-4 is all units. 1046 traffic cleared at 106 hours.
Hey, stay awake, alright?
Hey, stay up for me, okay? You're not going to sleep on me. There's no, you're going nowhere.
I'm right on fire.
Yeah. We're going to get the car's done. Okay. That's it.
No, wake up. No. Stay up.
Hey, can somebody help me out, please? There's no way we can get up. Your legs are broken.
Just stay down, buddy.
We're not going. You cannot get up.
Broken legs?
Just for me, that's why. Why would you do that? You ran for me. Where's your phone?
You can hear everybody just dipping before the rest of the cops come. I don't know, man.
Brother,
EMS is on the way.
Go nowhere.
Seems like a bad spot to be.
Okay. Hey, look at us here.
1889.
Go to stay up. Go to EMS. Alright. You're gonna be alright. You're gonna be alright. You're gonna go to
Why
EMS.
you hit me, bro? Why didn't you just let me go?
That's not how this works.
No.
Why didn't you stop? I was going to give you a speeding ticket.
You wouldn't.
I would have given you a speeding ticket. But now you just caught a felony.
Right now, this folks don't get any better. No matter what. You got
Felony?
You can't get
EMS
up.
is about to be here.
They're gonna stick forever.
What is your name, man? I'm not law enforcement. I'm not.
So like,
I went through this 4 years ago, man. That was me on the St. Pete side. Trust me, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. You're okay. I'm tired. I know. There's nothing we can do about it.
Calvary's
You
here.
have to hit me. You're just go and show you something.
oh, what?
Or not.
No one else will
They got hurt and passed.
Hey, listen. I went through this 4 years
Oh, they're
ago.
back.
I did a family. You're gonna be alright. Cost about 10 grand. A felony. About 24 months probation. You're fine.
So we're all good?
You hear me?
Why'd you run? Huh? Why would you give you a speeding ticket? EMS is on the way, okay?
No, can you please help me?
What do you
You
want?
said you would, bro, I want you to help me.
I can't help you
We
anyway.
can't move you because you may have something that's hurting you.
Yeah. Just this way.
Okay? Hello.
How's it going?
Hey, you were the deputy out here with me coming with the
Yeah.
girl that hit and run.
Yeah, I remember you, yeah.
Yeah, you seen that make it to the news.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
That's coincidence, man. I'm back out. I just got done fishing literally and came by. Hey,
You got them? I'm gonna talk like it is. Yeah. But you, before we could...
What does it say? The driver identified as 31-year-old Brandon Ram Nareen of Tampa was taken into custody and charged with fleeing and eluding at high speed. He sustained non-life-threatening injuries and was transported to a local hospital for treatment. Damn, so they should put here, and he lost his Supra that's probably expensive and modified. Damn, son. Well, yep, that's all I got for you guys. This is crazy. That was wild. It wasn't a long chase like the other ones, but it was wild. And just like that, pitted, lost the car, and you got broken legs, got a felony. Now my question is, comment down below, was it worth it? I don't think so. All right, comment down below, what would you guys do in this situation if you had a Supra just like that? Would you run and go fast, or would you just pull over? Me, I'll pull over. Simple as that. Just take the ticket, and he would have been good going home. Ticket, pay it, whatever. You'll be fine, man. Unless he has something illegal and it just burned down. That's what I got. Again, the link to Scooper's channel is in the description. Also, to the video is in the description. So go ahead and check it out. Yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Just remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch y'all later. Deuces.